What's up, Reddit? Today we're diving into this Am I the Asshole? Where family mooching meets vehicular manslaughter vibes. I'm 32 female, and yeah, I let my brother crush at my place for 3 months after he got fired for the 3rd time this year. Rules were crystal. No wild nights, pitching on dishes, and hands off my car keys. Last Tuesday, I pull up after a 12-hour shift, and there's my Honda, totaled against a semi. Turns out he borrowed it for groceries without a word, got distracted scrolling TikTok, and bam. Cops confirm, insurance says it's on him, but I'm out $2,000 deductible. I tell him to grab his crap and bounce by morning. He starts bawling, says the accident was actually my bad karma stressing him. And now mom and dad are blowing up my phone calling me heartless for kicking out poor baby bro when he is down. Well, he's 28, not 8. So Reddit. Am I the asshole for booting him after he wrecked my car and played the victim card? Y'all are savage in the comments. Not the asshole. Keys mean responsibility. Not family get out of jail free. Not the asshole. Bad vibes. Tell that to the tow truck. Change the locks, sis. Not the asshole. He's an adult. Couch surfing ain't a right. One banger. Not the asshole. Next time he asks for a ride, say only if it's emotional support. Unanimous, not the asshole energy. If this sibling BS resonates, smash like and spill. Worst family freeloader story. Drop it in the comment. I'll be waiting right there. Subscribe for more Am I the Asshole chaos. Catch y'all.